Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video I'm going to show you how the Scotch Laminator has been working for us, and it's basically just like a quick review for you to know how it's used and how easy it is to be using this laminator. There are a lot of brands out there, and this is only one. I mainly use it for my daughter's work and to save all this material now that I'm homeschooling. And since currently I'm with both kids at home and enter to the homeschooling stuff, I think that this is a great tool that you're going to need if you are homeschooling. So here is the review for you to know how it works. If you have this laminator or something similar to it, just let me know in the comments below, Tell me how is it working for you, how do you like it, what brand do you have, what brand do you prefer, and if you have the same, what goods or bad things have you found. I will leave the link on the description box below if you are interested in knowing more about this or getting one just like this one. I think it's like less than 20, around 20 or 30 Canadian dollars on Amazon. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to click on the like button and on the subscribe button so you can keep watching more of my videos. Thank you. See you the next time. Bye bye.